In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the rupee symbol Rs into your Google Sheets. Whether you're working on financial reports, budgeting, or any project that involves monetary data in Indian currency, knowing how to add the rupee symbol can be quite handy and enhance the clarity of your spreadsheets. Let's dive right in and make this process easy and straightforward for you. First, begin by opening your Google Sheets spreadsheet. This should be the document where you're ready to either input new data or modify existing data to include the rupee symbol. Having your spreadsheet open is the key starting point as it sets the stage for all the edits we'll make. Once your spreadsheet is open, you'll want to select the range of cells that you wish to format with the rupee symbol. This might be a column of prices, an entire table of calculations, or just some key figures. You can click and drag your cursor over the desired cells to highlight the specific range. It's an important step because this tells Google Sheets where to apply the currency format. Next, head on over to the top menu and click on Format. This menu contains various options to change how your data looks, and specifically, what we're after today is found within this section. After clicking on Format, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you several choices regarding cell appearance. Within the Format dropdown, locate and click on Custom Currency. This selection allows you to specify exactly what currency format you want for your data, including the symbol, which is crucial for our task of adding the rupee symbol. With the Custom Currency menu open, you'll see a search field. Click into it and type in Indian Rupee. This search query will display the currency format we're looking for, which includes the rupee symbol plus the appropriate numerical formatting for currency. After typing in Indian Rupee, you should see the option appear in the list. Click on it to select it. This action confirms that you want Google Sheets to use the rupee symbol for the selected cell range. Finally, once you've selected the Indian Rupee option, don't forget to click Apply. This last click ensures that all your highlighted cells now reflect the rupee currency format, complete with the Rs symbol. It's a crucial final step that applies your formatting customization across the chosen cells, ensuring your presentation is clear and accurate. And that's it. You've successfully formatted your Google Sheets data to include the rupee symbol, making your spreadsheets look professional and increasing their readability. This straightforward adjustment can make a big difference for anyone dealing with financial data in the Indian context. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.